So hello everyone. So in today's class we'll be looking at how to perform a goal seek in Excel. So for performing a goal seek, this is the question that we have today. So units sold is 527, price per unit is 3.80, revenue is 2003. Now from this given data, we have to calculate how much units must be sold in order to generate a revenue of 2500. So goal seek method is used when, for example, if you have A and if you have B, and if you know what is the value of B and you are supposed to find out what is A, then you can use the goal seek method to carry out and find out what is the value of A. So whenever one value is known and you have to find the other one, you can use goal seek method in Excel to calculate the same. So for calculating that, we have to go to data, what if analysis, and click on goal seek. Now when we click on goal seek, you will get a dialog box like this. In this, the first one is set cell, which is always the formula cell, the cell which contains the formula. So if you see over here for revenue, we have entered a formula which is nothing but units sold into price per unit. So revenue is calculated by multiplying both units sold and price per unit, and we are getting 2003. So for doing goal seek, we will select goal seek, and this set cell is always the cell which contains the formula. That's an easy way to remember what you need to put in your first input. So here the set cell is B4, which is the revenue cell which has the formula. So here when you select the particular cell, it automatically enters dollar symbol. So please do not type in the cell address over here. Instead, click on that particular cell. Click on that particular cell and go and choose the cell which has the formula. After this, the second input is to value. The to value is nothing but the value of revenue that we know, that is 2500. So this is the value of revenue for which we need to calculate how much units need to be sold. So by changing cell, now this value is nothing but units sold. So by changing this units sold, we have to arrive at a revenue of 2500. So after entering all these three inputs, you just have to click on OK. So you will see automatically the value here has changed from 527 to 657.89, and the revenue also has changed from 2003 to 2500, which means that in order to generate a revenue of 2500, you need to sell around 658 units to get this revenue. So this is how you can use goal seek method in order to find a value which is unknown to you when one of the values is known. So you can only do it for two variables where one variable's value is known and the other one you need to find. You cannot use goal seek when you have two or more variables whose value is not known. For that purpose, you need to use a different method. So goal seek, always remember that when you know one value and you have to find the other value, then you will use this goal seek method. So that's all for today. Thank you.